Once upon a time, in the Fairyland Kingdom, there's a beautiful princess named Chandra Kirana. She was the daughter of being king of the Deha Kingdom and was loved by her people for her kindness and wisdom. One day, she was brother to a noble prince named Raden Inu Karpati. From the neighbor kingdom they were deeply in love, and their wedding was known to have. However, not everyone was happy with Chandra Kirana. Jealous stepsister Dewi Galuh with also desire to marry the prince could not bear to talk of her sister being happy consumed by envy. She sought help to evil witch to run Chandra Kirana life. The curse using dark magic had terrible curse on Chandra Kirana. The Kirana was transformed into a small golden snail, Keong Mas, and was swept away by the river from her replace, and her people who banned her trapped in the snail body. Chandra Kirana drifted down and river helps us and alone. Left a golden snail. After drifting for days, the golden snail was found by poor Eldian woman who left in the snail. But while the river on her snail returned, the woman looked a home replaced for near house. To her surprise, next day, when returned from the work, she found her house, felt defenses, food, and the next day, same thing happened, but the old woman still didn't know what's helping her caution. She decided to secret what was happening. This discovery that evening a moon rose. The old woman hid in a corner of the house. To her amazing, she saw a golden snail transform into a beautiful princess Chandra Kirana in her true form. Prepare meals and cleaned the house as a way to repay the old woman's kindness. When the work was done, she returned to her snail form. The next day, the old woman approached the golden snail and said gently, "No, you are. Please do not hide anymore. Let me help you break the curse." Chandra Kirana still haven't as a snail apprentice her magic fate and how she was cursed by witches. The search for Chandra Kirana meanwhile back in the kingdom, Prince Raden Inu Karkertapati was desperately searching for his lost princess, and his travel far and wide through desperately searching for his love friendly. He's traveling far and wide through forest and village, hoping to find her. Along the journey, the midwise hermit. Along his journey, he met a wise hermit. He told him that Chandra Kirana has been cursed and transformed into a golden snake. The hermit also gave the prince way to break curse, a magical spell that could restore her to human form. The prince continued his searching in. He reaches the old woman hurt by a river. As soon as he saw a golden snail and now was a beloved Richard, the spell hermit has taught him, and a flash of light, golden snail transferred back to beautiful princess of Chandra Kirana. Resonant and happy ever after, Chandra Kirana and Raden Inu Kartapati were enjoined to be returned. They thanked the old woman for her kindness and invited her to live with them in the place. Together, the prince and princess returned to their kingdom, where they are soon married and grand celebration. As for a Dewi Galuh and which they were absent from the kingdom, and peace and happiness we are restored. Chandra Kirana and Raden Inu Kartapati ruled their kingdom with wisdom and kindness, and they lived happy ever after.